Hello and welcome to a hexagon technique on how to sew the hexagons through a sewing machine instead of doing it by hand. This technique is simple and quick, and I prefer to do it under the sewing machine instead of by hand because I just don't have that kind of time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it's very helpful. Thank you all for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below what you guys think. Don't forget to check out our description for our website and check out all of our tools, all of our fabrics that we used in this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe, then click that notification bell to let it chime, and I'll see you all next time. So, bye!